my beautiful people. Is there one and only lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people. Today na about a pa Edimofi, social media president versus Mommy Iyore. So I see one video. No say this period there saga wey full social media not be small one. So my darling people, about Enoge and the social media president. So I can't see one video where a part do they apologize again to Mommy Iyore. Now I not say two of them before they be best friend, they be too close. Now just a little misunderstanding I can cause quarrel for them, you know. It paid me that time because I know say Mommy Iyore really love Ipa. Even Ipa to love Mommy Iyore. So I not gonna know what it just gonna cause problem. Na devil work sha. More than listen because I been I use. So I go to translate and for now.
Iyore, forgive, forget Mayagui. I tell you now, Denena. Forget Mayagui. Mayagui, you na me where ege. Ege, na ya mu dan ba yegbere. Mai ge imanu ga le me hia. Ge nyama we me te awu ge.
You say make Mommy Iyore forgive and forget the time where they take quarrel. He no know say people where they follow in waka that time, they be destroyer and pretender. He no know. And he make he can go there close to there that time because now they cause the problem where he even call they talk to Mommy Iyore.
Iya wari omoni me abe ya tengbe e de na ku e. Ma ge iya ri to see ezo ni ma we we. My sweetheart, my darling, my love. Ya unu chile program Mary. Ya re wa ku e. Mo invite you e. Mo yin chai ahwe. Ya unu chile program Mary. Elele ne ni maro pata montai. You know say na the wa ku e. We are dropping phone now wanna ya call one ya call over. Me we you montai. Why Corey? Ni atama no atame dio word. I want peace to reign all over. Peace.
Say he go like make Mommy Iyore call for a platform. He go tell him wetin he want talk. He go call big house as in a palace. So he go tell him wetin he go talk. You know, so the thing really pain am saying with Mommy Iyore the quarrel.
A peace na. A peace na. E man dan kini ari aje. Ti a to be an. Ya he ga go. Ti a he ga go we a. Be ne pa social media president yare na. Dan doge wara iwe mi dan. Wara iwe mi dan. Adon gbe na ti ona ti we owo ki ya ge. Ahin ari oja. You said it for me.
He say if anybody call him for a platform, say his wife go jogodo another man, he say we go really deal with her for this social media.
Okuna ti wa wi ya ge ma ze yo God we no gbe ni ge pasa wa oni mi pa ni maji lawo my brother lao they not really were forgiven you don mo lao e we gbe down won e we gbe down won e ma ka won no ko na ona won e down won we pa we ge ni the first time anima adon gele aje we wa mi gbe ani abekele ohon no ko ni bi aho ami ko na ko ya se gbo wo me no ona wo ko na lie o ya o get from the keka o zamo.
He say no woman wey no dey open eye for your husband sometimes. No woman wey no get pepper body. Yes, everybody gets am. Even me. You understand? So everybody gets am for body. So no woman wey never talk to your husband because they say a part they wash plate for his wife. Then they see man wey not dey help his wife for us. My husband do help me sometimes. Then they see husband wey not dey help his wife wash plates. Like seriously, even all those big men, who una dey see. When I want them to say those big men, they not dey help. Buhari never help his wife before. You want them to say big men never help their wife at all before.
So we calm down. When I calm down, you know, yeah. As a responsible man, we calm down. Okay, we wife me now. I'll be men who have to borrow. Get it. We want to get it. We want to we have to dollar. We have to achieve a call.
Because a part they respect your wife, they say a part they fear your wife. No. A part of they fear your wife. Now respect you get for your wife. And the wife too see get respect for your husband. That's what it be.
They can't worship what? When you make out, and you give away what time attention you will burn. I can't go dog. Or when I will burn away, but bending up at work pass why. Anyway, why we go outside? Okay, where 1 year, where because the live video, maybe I do escalate Birani, so you have monarchy. You more.
But I don't like this man. He said that you know, I not see where they live video where a woman they talk when they say you don't do. He said maybe quarter if can start now, so he can quick calm down, make quarter not come. Because I live video now with this so. You see, and I saw a responsible man tell they behave.
Calm down for your woman. If I said I go to Pokman, I go to one I bewa. One with Abije. When you buy the cocoa, you buy the.
You see, he said people when they say person not fit wash plate for your wife. If my husband not can help me wash plates now, who can help me? Now you walk call for outside. Me can help me wash plates. Not my husband go help me wash plates. My darling people. If my husband not help me, who can help me? Now you me go call for outside. Because I know they know why be say some people go just see person husband they help his wife though they quarrel. Me I don't understand. My own husband again. Like seriously.
All the way no pa. Who go poto? Wait to me now. Who go no pa? Who go pokman? Bewa. Wa bewa mo kwen gira bije etu urioko. Aepo. You must be no sacrifice be we are sacrifice be we do. Again, a love we are. If you are money Maria. But so we always have here with Dali, where you are when it's good. But then on kill where Mana, who are work bell when I mean, or turn to a work, but on your son of our every control now a video, but it might do when I back where I got a boom, who get television boomer, who gay, my David, who matter but working on why who cocoa well.
The person nobody will not the help your wife. Nobody. So if your wife they do something now, make it not just help them at all because they want to do traditional man. Me I not understand. Help your wife. You not remove anything for your body. Now we just the reason the thing like our man go the help woman. Me say they use them. Are you kidding me? My husband they do help me sometimes. So no man will not the help your wife. Except now you now mumu man, I not go to help your wife.
Or react now. A bear me. Okay, do the Richard said, hello.
So my Bonga people, what do you think about this a part topic? For me, it did very, very nice. A very, very nice topic. So I'm so happy say in with Mommy Yori, they don't finally reconcile. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. If any updates there, I will still come and give you people. Thank you. Bye.